This is our solar panel brush. About the solar panel brush, and just now I told you about the solar panel brush. Is a trend, is a popular trend in the world, tendency in the world. Also make a production and even do some the updated or innovation about our solar panel brush. About the solar panel brush, we have two types. The first one is automatic electricity solar panel brush, and another one is water-fed solar panel brush. Also, we call it Zhenda water-fed solar panel brush. Here you see four brush head, four solar panel brush head. One is this one is we called it single head because it just had one brush head, so we call it single head, and we also call it double heads.